forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
So for today's dinner we're having callaloo. This is Outlaw's speciality, I would say. When it comes to callaloo, I don't even get involved, people. Only if I have to. I just leave it to him because this is his thing. What would you say?
Reading. For this.
Guys, if you watched our market vlog, you would have seen him with the bungalow callaloo. And do you remember what it said? What did it say, love?
Nah, let me read.
Oh, God. See, you know, we know about these people. And see, when he buys a callaloo, he doesn't buy the cut up one already, you know? No. He has to cut it up himself.
Yeah.
And let's get a closer look.
That's the way it go, peeps. Yeah. The man I cut up the calorie man I give them some bag. I like them things.
You say you don't like that?
I'm not really interested in that. Lazy people something like that.
I don't mind it myself. I guess I'm lazy.
Lazy people something saying.
I can't be bothered to cut it up, honestly. I just rather buy it cut up already. But this one, yeah.
Fresh cut, you know. Yeah. Good for them stuff, me I cut up yourself. Yeah, cook some nice food gear, you know. Them think I should compatible.
People, he's not lying. And it also makes you put on weight as well. Yeah. The cooking.
Yeah, she compatible because some good food for eat and the whole works, you know. Natural food. Yeah, no additive, no preservative.
now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.